Hello guys, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And from today I'm going to make a video series on Animiz Animation Maker software, so you can learn from my YouTube channel about the Animiz. If you have any idea about the Animiz, let me know in the comment sections. But if you don't know about the Animiz, I'm going to make a video series on this YouTube channel. So from today, you will learn the Animiz in my YouTube channel. So I'll make a series, and where you will get some new concepts and new knowledge about the Animiz Animation Maker software. Okay, so without any late, let's begin. So guys, today we are going to learn about the transition. So if you don't know how can you change the transition in Animiz, then you can watch this video until the last, otherwise you can skip this video. So transition is one of the useful things which we need to learn in Animiz. If we don't know the concept of the transition, then our animation will not be very professional, or it will not be very good also. That's why we need to learn the transition. So guys, if you want to learn the transition, then you have to watch this video until the last. So guys, without any late, let's move on to our computer screen. So guys, welcome back to in my computer screen. So now you can see, first of all, we need to download the Animiz professional animated video maker. So there is a two options available. The first one is for 32 bits and the second one is for the 64 bit. I think this is only available for the Windows only. So after this, if I click in the feature, now you can see here there are different kind of things available. So there are lots of features available inside the Animiz. So you can also use this software. I'm giving you the download link in the video description. You can check that link to download the Animiz Animation Maker software. So you can use this one in free of cost also, but if I click in the pricing, you can see the price. You can use the paid version also. So there is a 4 version available. The first one is the free version, the second one is standard version, the third one is a professional version, and the fourth one is enterprises. If you use the free version, you will get the 8 built-in roles and the 5 scenes per project. Okay, and if you choose this project, you will get the 12 built-in roles and the 20 scenes per project, and for the professional you will get the 30 scenes, and for the enterprises you will get the unlimited scenes per project, but it will cost the $999. It's too much expensive, I think, but it's for the per year. Okay, so guys, after this, just so after downloading the software, so you can download the software from here, and after downloading that one, just you have to install that one. So after installing, so just go here. So now you can see here, this is the interface of the Animiz Animation Maker. Now you can see here there is a different kind of templates also available. So you can use these kind of templates also, or you can create your new project. Okay, so from here I'm just going to here. Just wait for a moment. Just I'm going to in the new empty project. So after this, it will create a new empty project. So now you can see here, this is the interface of the Animiz Animation Maker. So now you can see here in this side, it's showing the scene, how many scenes you have, and in this side there are different kind of features available. Now you can see here is also different kind of things available and this is the timeline of the Animiz Animation Maker. And this time I'm using the version 2.5.4, but I think there is already a version available 2.5.6. you can upgrade that one, so you can use the latest version, but in this time I think I'm just using this one. So after this, now you can see here there is only one scenes available. If you want to create another scene, just click in the new, and from here also you can use the templates also, or you can use the blank scene, but in this time I'm using I think I need to choose this one. So now you can see here there is two scenes available. If I want to create another scenes also, then just click in the new scene, and after this just wait for a moment. So just click here and just click in the new scene. After that, I'm just clicking in the blank scene, again new scene and blank scene. Now you can see here there is 4 blank scenes available, right? So from the background you can change the color, so I think you can change the color, right? So from here I think I need to use this color, sorry. Okay, so after this I'm just going to in the slide number 3, so I'm just going here, and from here I'm just using another background. From the plus sign, just you have to click in another color, sorry, another background, and just click in the optimize now. Okay, so again I'm going to inside the scene number 4, and again I'm just clicking in the plus sign, and I think I need to go with this background. Again it's loading and it's little bit working, and just click in the optimize now. Okay, so now you can see here we have 4 scenes available, and in 4 scenes there are different kind of things and materials available right now. So if I want to add a transition, now you can see here just now you can see there is a plus signs available in the between of the 2 scenes. So in this case just click in the plus symbol, that is add transition. Just click here, and there are different kind of transition available. One of my favorite is the hand pull, and if I click here, from here you can choose the duration and the direction. So in this time I'm just using the up to down. So in this after choosing the transition, just click in the OK. Now you can see here there is a transition available. If I want to change that transition, just again you have to click there and you can change the transition. So in this time also I'm just choosing another type of the transition, so I'm just using this one. I think I need to use this one, and OK. And here also I am using another type of the transition. Okay, so now you can see here there is a 4 transition, 4 scenes, 1 2 3, and I have 3 transition. So if I preview this one, what will happen? So just wait for a moment. Okay, so after this just click in the preview. So it's creating a, okay, it's not working right now. So guys, after this, if I click in the publish, and if I create a video and click in the next, and I'm just choosing the, not the new project, I'm just changing the name. I think I need to change the name, is demo, and just keep the dot, and you can choose the format and the frame rate and the render mode also. So after this, just click in the publish. So now you can see here it's publishing right now. So using this method you can create or you can add animation inside inside your animation. So it's too much easy. You can also add animation inside Animiz Animation Maker. So it's one of the useful application. So if I click in the watch the video, now you will get amazing kind of slideshow. So now you can see here it's playing. So just wait for a moment, it's taking a little bit time. So now you can see here there is an amazing type of transition, right? So you can also use this one. So if I click here, so now you can see here this type of animation you can create using the Animiz. So you can also use this method. So guys, today in this video we are going to learn how can we give animation to your any kind of objects, text and the images. So it's too much easy, so just you have to watch this video until the last to know how can you add animation inside your Animiz Animation Maker. So after this, just click in the new empty project. So now you can see here this is the interface of the Animiz Animation Maker. So guys, now after this, if I want to add the text, so I'm just going to here. Okay, just wait for a moment, it's getting little bit problem maybe. So just click in the add text and from here you have to drag like this. So I'm just typing demo text, and from here you can increase the size, and from here also you can increase the size, and you can change and you can change the text of the color from here. So I'm changing the color. Okay, so now you can see here this is the demo text, right? So how can you add the animation to your demo text? So it's too much easy. So first of all, now you can see here there is a demo text available. Okay, so first of all just click in the plus button, and now you can see here there are different kind of animation available. So if I want to click in the text effects, not I think inside the all, maybe demo text bounce. So I'm using this one, flashing color. Okay, so after this I need to increase this camera until here. So I need to move this one to this side. So if I click here, it's giving me the animation, right? But this is the default animation. So if I want to change this one, just right click and click in the replace animation, and now you can see here this is a hand-drawn animation available. But I think if I want to use this one, so this is okay for me. So if I click here, so now you can see here, it's giving me attractive type of the animation, right? Okay, so this is the way how can you add the animation inside your text inside the Animiz Animation Maker. Or if you want to add more animation here, just click in the just wait for a moment and just drag this one up to here and right click, and you can just replace the animation. Okay. Okay, so if I want to remove this one, just delete object. So not the delete object, I think I need to delete animation. If I want to delete this one, also delete animation. Okay, so guys, basically now you can see here there is a three animation. The first one is for the starting animation, the second one is for the middle animation, and the third one is for the exit animation. Okay, so you have to understand that one. So now let's move on to our another features, that is for the shapes. if you want to move the shape, so if I'm just creating a shape in this side, so now you can see here is a text, right? Okay, so if I want to increase the size, from here you can increase and decrease the size, opacity, border color. I think I should to give the border color red, and the border size, and from here you can increase the border size. So if I click here, what will happen this one? Okay, so for this one, just I'm changing the animation, replace animation, and I think the animation from hand to right, hand from right. Okay, so if I click this one, oh, so now you can see it's too much easy, right? Okay, this one also I am going to remove this one. Okay, so if I click here, if I press the yes, it is the amazing kind of animation, right? So let's move on to it our another emphasis animation. So you can move this like this also. So if I click here, I think my PC is getting hang in this time. Okay, so if I click here in the plus button, and if I went inside the bounce border, and okay, yeah, now you can see there is a four effects, right? Yeah, now you can also use this kind of effects inside your any kind of shapes. I think it will work like the glitch also, maybe in the replace animation. I think I will give the replace color the blue. Okay, and if I play this one from here, yeah, it is look like the glitch also. So you can give this kind of animation inside your animation Animiz Animation Maker. So let's move on to image. So just put your cursor here, and I'm just clicking in the image and add local image, and from here I'm just selecting one of my images. So I'm just using this image. So this is my image, right? So I'm going to move this one. So what to do? So for this one, so now you can see here is a few default effects, right? So for this one, just right click and replace animation, and I think I should to give the hand drawn animation image, and just click in the OK. So it's taking little bit time, and just click in the confirm. So if I click here, and if I increase the animation length, so now you can see here it's drawing the amazing kind of it's giving me the amazing type of the animation, right? So you can also use this one, and there are different kind of things available. You can use the character also, and you can use the animation widget. You can use the different kind of effects, and there is a call out also available. You can use the SVG images, you can use the sound, and we will discuss in every series, but today we just learn how can you add the animation in the Animiz Animation Maker. So in our further series we will learn to how can we use the character, and how can you use the sound, and different kind of things available inside the Animiz Animation Maker. Welcome back to in my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how can you give animation to any kind of character in the Animiz. So before we discuss about how can you give the animation in text, images and the shapes, if you want to watch that video, you can check my previous video, or you can check my playlist also, or I'm going to give you a video link in the video description also. So after this, just so today we are going to use how can you use the rules and how can you use the animation widget. So first of all, I'm just clicking in the rules, and but to use this one you need internet connection. Without internet connection you cannot use any kind of character also. One of the useful thing for us if you are creating animation, or if you are creating a white animation board. So after this I'm just using this businessman, and now you can see here there are different kind of emotions available: welcome, long talk, stickers, helpless, excited, and the rage here. Different kind of settings available. So I'm just using the welcome, and now you can see here it's downloading the contents. Now you can see here it's already downloaded. So if I play this one, so now you can see here it's giving me the different kind of things, right? So you can add a character to make attractive content. So in this time I'm just giving the aperture also. So if I play this one, what will happen? So now you can see here. So for this one I think I need to replace the animation. So from there I'm just using the hand drawn. Okay, so if I play this one, so now you can see here the character is playing, right? Or you can replace animation. So I think I need to give this one the rotate. Okay, and if I play this one, so now you can see here there is one of the interesting animation, right? So if I play this one like this, now you can see here it's giving me the different kind of animation. So I want to remove this one. So delete objects. So from here again I'm going to inside the roles, and here, and I'm just using the talk and smile. So it's again downloading, and now you can see here from this point you can increase and decrease the size. Okay, so I'm just using this one like this. Okay, so if I try to play this one, what will happen? So there is nothing animation, right? So after this I'm just choosing this one, and here I'm just using this one. Okay, but there is no animation, so I think I did some mistake before. So again I am using roles, and inside the businessman in the talk, okay, yeah, it's talking, right? So if I drag this one from here, it will talk. Yeah, it's now giving me the animation, right? So from this here you can choose the size also. I think I should to resize the size of this character, and I'm just moving this one. So if I play this one, so now you can see it's giving me the different kind of animation, right? So for this one I'm using the another things, which is call out. Okay, and for the call outs, so there are different kind of call outs available inside the Animiz Animation Maker. So it's loading. It depends on how fast you have internet connection. So after this I'm just using this one, and I think I should to drag this one here. I should to drag this one here. Okay, so after this I think I should to increase the size, yeah, like this. Okay, and I can rotate also from here in this side, yeah, like this. And I can use the text also. So if I click here, hello, hello. Okay, and you can put this one here in this side. Okay, so after this, now you can see here it's telling me that hello, right? So you can also use this one, use this kind of effects in your character. So let's discuss about the animation widget also. So there are different kind of animation widgets available. So now you can see here, if I click in the family happy, I think it will create another kind of animation, so which is very useful. So if I play this one, so now you can see here this is automatic, this like the sticker, right? So you can also create this kind of animation using the widget also. So now you can see here it's giving you different kind of looks, right? So this is also one of the useful things. So today we discuss about the how can you add the roles or character and how can you use the callouts. Okay, so guys, welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how can you add SVG image, how can you import the audio, and how can you import the video, and different kind of things I'm going to cover in this video. So if you miss my previous video, you can check my previous playlist about the Animiz Animation Maker. So in that video I have already discussed about the how can you add the animation inside your text, inside your character, and inside your shapes also. So after this, so today we are going to cover from here. How can you add the SVG images? So for this one, just click in the SVG images. For this one you need internet connection. Without internet connection you cannot use this one. So now you can see here in my left side there are different kind of categories available. You can use the transportations, character, sports, and public science. And this time I'm using the transportation. So just wait for a moment, it's taking a little bit time. It depends on your internet connection. So in this time I'm just using this one, and now you can see here is a SVG image which is already available inside your Animiz Animation Maker. But to use this one you need internet connection, and you need to create a Animiz Animation Maker free ID also. So after this you can give the different kind of animation from here, right? So right now there is a bounce. So if I play this one, so now you can see here this kind of animation available inside this one. The next one is how can we import the images. So for this one just click here in the sound and just click in the add sound. But for this one you need to you can import your local music from your computer. So I'm just using this one and just clicking in the open. So now you can see here it's opening. So after this you have to just click in the transcode now. So it's transcoding. It will take little bit time. So after the completing the transcoding, so you have to you can import that music inside your library. So after just clicking the yes, now you can see here my audio has been coming here like this, right? So you can also use this kind of method. So but in this time I am just removing this one. I right click and delete object. Okay, so this is one of the amazing features which is available inside the Animiz Animation Maker. The next one is you can import the video. So just click in the video and just click in the add local video, and from here you can import any kind of it. So if I want to use this one, just click in the open, and now you can see here there is a video also available, right? So you can also use this one, these kind of methods, or you can import video in this way inside your Animiz Animation Maker. And if you know about SWF file, you can import the flash file also. For this one, just you have to click in the add local SWF, but for this one you need a flash file. But I think this time there is already some few flash files available. If I click here, so I think it will come here, and if I increase the size, now you can see it, the flash file is running this one, right? So if I want to drag this one, just drag here and just increase the size. Now you can see here, there is various kind of SWF other or flash file available inside the Animation Maker, which will give you different kind of looks to your slides or animation. The next one is just wait for a moment, symbols. So from the symbol you can use different kind of symbol. So in this time I'm just using the spider symbol inside my Animiz Animation Maker. From here you can change the fill color also, so which is one of the good things, right? So you can use various kind of symbols inside your Animiz Animation Maker, and you can use different kind of actors also. So from the character also you can use, but these are the flash actor, right? So now you can see here there is a 3 types of actor available: flash actor, PNG actor, and the GIF actor. But this time I'm just using flash actor, so I am removing the symbol. So if I want to use this one, so I'm just dragging this one here. So now you can see here this kind of actor, it's giving you different kind of the animation, and this is one of the useful thing, right? So you can use different kind of actor inside your Animiz. So it's automatically playing, which is the same like the flash file or SWF file. And you can use the different kind of charts also, or if you want to use this kind of chart. Now you can see here there is a different kind of charts available, so you can use any of them. Okay, and from here I think you can change the different kind of colors also, and I think from here you can use different kind of colors. Okay, so if you want to add any kind of elements inside your Animiz Animation Maker, then in that case you can use various kind of options. You can use SVG, you can use audio, video, flash file, symbols, and different kind of actors, and different kind of the charts also. So from here also you can use the formula, labels, my library, and slides. So different kind of option available. If you want to use the formula also, you can use different kind of formula. So now you can see here there are different kind of structure available. For example, if I want to use this kind of matrix, so if I'm just choosing this one, okay, A, B, or so like this. So if I want to use this kind of formula, so now you can see here A, B, okay, and if I click the OK, now you can see there is a formula also available. So you can give different kind of animation to for this one, so which is one of the good things. So there are lots of stuff available inside the Animiz. So you can create a label also. You can give different kind of labels. You can give in the my library you can use your images and your musics which you have imported before from your local computer.
and you can use the slideshow also. But for this one, first of all, you have to add some images inside here. So there are various things you can import inside Animiz Animation Maker. Hoping that you get some few idea how can you import any kind of media inside your Animiz Animation Maker. So today also I am going to teach you about the important features and the important settings which is available inside the Animiz Animation Maker. So guys, now you can see here. So first of all, let's talk about the alignment. So when you will add some shapes, or you will add some images, or you will add some types of your some types of images and some things else you will put inside your timeline. So you can align this one from your align middle, okay, or you can align to the bottom, you can align to the center, different kind of alignments positions available here. So you can use this kind of feature which will save your time, okay. So now you can see here there is a lock object. If you want to put the lock, so after putting in the right position, so after this you have to, you can lock your object. So after this you cannot move this one, so it's moving, but now you can see here your default camera is moving, your object is not moving right now, okay. So I'm just putting my camera here, and now you can see here is a lock option. If I click here, it will be unlocked, okay. So if you want to delete object, just click here, and you can clear the object rotation, and you can, so sometime you will rotate the shape like this, right? So if I click in the clear object orientation, now you can see here my rotation came back in my previous position. So I can fix the object position also, okay. So and I can change the fix the width also from here, okay, and I can zoom here from here, and I can zoom out from here, okay. Different kind of things available inside here. So this kind of options we have already covered in our previous video, you can check my playlist, okay. So let's go to inside the camera. So if you press Shift+C, or if you directly click in the camera, so now you can see here your camera is showing and hiding, okay. So from here you can make it small, okay, and you can make it large also from here. So now you can see here my camera is showing in this side, okay. So the next option is background. So if you want to show or hide, so in this time my background is not showing in my timeline. So if I click inside the background, now you can see here there is a new options available inside the background. So if I click inside the plus button, so now you can see here there are lots of background available. You can use the simple, you can use landscape, persons, video, line, others, different kind, or you can use the background color also. So if I want to use the yellow color, just click here, and now you can see here there is a yellow background available inside my timeline, okay. So another option also available, that is foreground. So from the foreground also you can use different kind of things which will make such a good things. So now you can see here there are different kind of things. It depends on your internet speed. In this time my internet speed is not good, that's why I think it is not looking good. So if I click here, I think it will download. So there are different kind of effects available which will help you to make different kind of attractive animation from the foreground also. So now you can see it's loading, it will take little bit time, it depends on your computer speed. The foreground also make your okay. So it's telling me that content overflow extend, okay. If I click in the no, what will happen if I click in the into, oh my god. So now you can see here is I think now you can see in this side here is a foreground, right? So you can also use this kind of amazing type of effects which is available inside the foreground. So another is subtitle. If you want to create a subtitle, in that time you can type. So I'm just typing this is subtitle, and if I click in the save, so now you can see here this is subtitle. Okay, so you can increase and decrease the length from here. Okay, so this is also amazing. So now you can see here there is another option available, that is a record. If you want to put your sound, so from here if you click in the record button, now you can see here is a record icon is appearing inside your timeline. So and the another is the animation duration. So from here you can set you can increase and decrease the animation duration. Another is play multiple, so you can play the multiple. Okay, so you can use this one from here. So it's also amazing. So we already covered all the important options in this video. So hoping that you understand how can you use the Animiz Animation Maker. If you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment section. I already uploaded several videos on Animiz Animation Maker. You can check my YouTube channel playlist. I have already created a playlist if you are trying to learn Animiz Animation Maker. That's it.
So guys, hoping that you get few knowledge about the Animiz Animation Maker. Still, if you have any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. And if you get some quality content, or if you learn something from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation, and I'll make a separate video if you have still any kind of confusion about the Animiz Animation Maker. So you can check my playlist also if you are really trying to learn Animiz Animation Maker. There I have already discussed about the character animation and the image animation, text animation. You can learn from my YouTube channel. So guys, share this video to among the people who are trying to learn Animiz Animation Maker. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.